From the soaring peaks of the Andes Mountains to the lush depths of the Amazon rainforest, Ecuador is a land of breathtaking beauty and unparalleled biodiversity. Join us as we journey through this enchanting country, exploring its most captivating wonders. From ancient cities steeped in history to pristine beaches teeming with life, Ecuador offers a feast for the senses and an unforgettable adventure for the soul. Prepare to be captivated by the vibrant cultures, stunning landscapes, and remarkable wildlife that make Ecuador a truly special destination. Our journey begins on the enchanting Galapagos Islands, a living laboratory of evolution and a testament to the power of nature. Here, on these volcanic islands, born from fire and sculpted by time, we find ourselves face to face with creatures found nowhere else on Earth. Giant tortoises, lumbering giants that have roamed these islands for millennia. Marine iguanas bask in the equatorial sun, their dark silhouettes stark against the black lava rocks. Blue-footed boobies, their comical dance and vibrant feet a testament to natural selection. Crystal-clear waters teem with life, playful sea lions and hammerhead sharks. Above, frigate birds soar effortlessly on the ocean breeze. The volcanic landscapes create a surreal and otherworldly beauty. As the sun dips below the horizon, we leave the Galapagos Islands, forever changed by their raw beauty. Nestled high in the Andes Mountains, Quito, the capital of Ecuador, stands as a testament to the country's rich history and cultural heritage. This city, with its cobblestone streets and colonial architecture, transports us back in time. Grand plazas adorned with ornate fountains and statues of conquistadors tell tales of a bygone era. But Quito is not just a city of the past. Look closer and you'll find a vibrant modern metropolis pulsing with life. Street vendors hawk their wares, the air thick with the aroma of roasting coffee and spices. As the sun sets, casting a warm glow on the terracotta rooftops, we leave Quito, carrying with us the echoes of its past and the vibrancy of its present. Cuenca, with its cobblestone streets and red-tiled roofs, whispers tales of a rich past. Here, time seems to move at a slower pace, inviting us to savor the simple pleasures of life. The air is filled with the sound of church bells and the scent of fresh-baked bread, a sensory symphony that transports us to another era. Grand colonial mansions adorned with intricate balconies and wrought-iron gates line the narrow streets, each one a testament to the city's prosperous past. In the bustling markets, indigenous artisans display their colorful textiles and intricate jewelry, while street musicians fill the air with traditional Andean melodies. As we bid farewell to Cuenca, we're left with a sense of peace and tranquility, a testament to the enduring spirit of this captivating city. The air here vibrates with a palpable sense of adventure, drawing thrill-seekers from around the globe. Nestled at the foot of the active Tungurahua volcano, Banos is where adrenaline and awe meet. The roaring Pastaza River beckons kayakers and whitewater rafters. Hillsides dotted with cascading waterfalls plunge from dizzying heights. Banos offers serene hot springs, heated by volcanic activity. As the sun sets, we leave Banos, invigorated by adventure and nature's beauty. Here, amidst a landscape sculpted by volcanic forces, the majestic Cotopaxi volcano dominates the horizon, its snow-capped peak piercing the heavens. Cotopaxi, one of the world's highest active volcanoes, stands as a testament to the raw power that lies at the heart of our planet. Rolling grasslands stretch out before us, dotted with herds of wild horses that roam freely across this high-altitude plateau. The silence is broken only by the whistle of the wind and the occasional cry of a caracara circling overhead. Hiking trails wind their way through this otherworldly landscape, offering breathtaking vistas at every turn. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the volcanic landscape, we leave Cotopaxi National Park, humbled by the immensity of nature and the raw beauty of this high-altitude world. The air is alive with a vibrant symphony of bartering, laughter, and traditional Andean music. Otavalo Market, a kaleidoscope of colors, textures, and aromas, captures the essence of Andean culture. Beneath Imbabura volcano, artisans gather to display their wares. Hand-woven tapestries and embroidered textiles hang vibrantly. Ceramics and wooden masks showcase artistry passed down generations. Leaving the market, we carry the vibrant colors and enduring spirit of Otavalo. Here, in this realm of perpetual mist and emerald green, life flourishes in a dazzling display of biodiversity. The air hums with the sounds of the forest, a symphony of chirping insects, croaking frogs, and the melodic calls of exotic birds. Towering trees draped in moss and bromeliads reach for the sky, their branches forming a verdant canopy that filters the sunlight, creating an ethereal glow. Mindo is a birdwatcher's paradise, home to over 400 species, including the vibrantly colored toucans, the elusive cock of the rock, and the tiny, iridescent hummingbirds that flit through the undergrowth like living jewels. As we emerge from the cloud forest, blinking in the sunlight, we carry with us the memory of its enchanting beauty, a reminder that even in the most unexpected of places, life finds a way. Guayaquil, Ecuador's largest city and a bustling port on the Guayas River, welcomes us with open arms. The vibrant energy is palpable from the moment we arrive. The air is thick with salt and salsa music. Along the Malecon 2000, families stroll and street performers entertain. The city's colonial past is evident in its historic districts. As the sun sets, Guayaquil's nightlife comes alive. We carry with us the warmth of its people and the echo of salsa music. On Ecuador's Pacific coast, life follows the ocean's rhythm. Montañita, a bohemian paradise, offers world-class surf and a laid-back vibe. Surfers flock here for the legendary point break and perfect waves. The Golden Beach is a hive of activity, perfect for sunbathing or relaxing. As the sun sets, Montañita becomes a vibrant party town. We leave with memories of sun, waves, and carefree days. Here, in this realm of towering trees, winding rivers, and a symphony of sounds, we enter a world untouched by time. The air is thick with humidity, the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers. The Amazon River, the lifeblood of this ecosystem, snakes through the dense jungle, its waters teeming with life. We navigate the waterways, senses on high alert, watching for monkeys and sloths and brightly colored frogs. As we emerge from the Amazon, we carry a sense of awe and respect for this ancient, irreplaceable world. Our journey through Ecuador's 10 wonders has come to an end, but the memories of this enchanting country will stay with us forever. From the heights of the Andes to the depths of the Amazon, Ecuador has captivated our senses, challenged our perceptions, and left us with a profound appreciation for the beauty and diversity of our planet. I hope this journey has inspired you to add Ecuador to your travel bucket list. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences in this beautiful country, please leave a comment below. Until next time, keep exploring.